Hello and welcome to a guide on how to use Teams. As we've moved to our online learning, we've noticed that lots of parents have had a few questions about how to access resources and where they should be sending examples of their children's work. So this video is to help you navigate Teams so that you can get things from the right places and upload them to the right places. So this is the dashboard for Teams. Now you might log into Teams and you might not see this image. But if you go over into the top left hand corner, you will see there is a little Teams icon. So you will click on this and then this will bring up all of the teams that your child has been invited to. As we can see for my class, as it is Mr. Baldwin's Pine class, I have got my Pine class team here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on Pine class and it will take me into the team. Now because we've had some online learning today, we can see that there have been some different examples of lessons that have taken part, for example English and class readers, but we don't need to worry about these too much at the moment. What we want to focus on is the top bar up here. So next to general we have got posts, which acts as a conversation and chat function within the team, and then we have files, class notebook, assignments and grades. We are going to focus on files. So inside files we will see that there are different folders. These folders will be made by your teachers and they will upload work for you and PowerPoints that explain the lessons. So all of the content that your teacher wishes you to have access to at home will be put into these different folders. I've named mine English Week 1, Maths Week 1, and then I have an Uploads folder. Your teacher may have named them something slightly different. So if I was a parent logging on, I would log on to my Maths Week 1 folder before the lesson and see if any materials had been put in. So I can see that I have got 4 documents. Now today was our first day of online learning, so we've had our Maths 1 homework sheet and our Deep in the Moment 1. So for tomorrow we would be using Maths 2 homework sheet and Deep in the Moment 2. You can then click on the sheet you need, and then once you've clicked on your blue tick you can download it to your device. Now once you've got that on your device, you are ready for the lesson. However, you might decide that you're going to print off and work on the document, or you might decide that you are just going to work off the screen and put some answers in onto scrap paper or whatever you have at home. So in that case, we are going to go back to files in general, and we're going to look. If for my class, I've created an uploads folder. So this is the area where I would like children to put any work they do at home. So I'm going to click on Uploads, and I have made a folder for all of my children. Now your teacher might not have done this, they might prefer you to email the documents to them directly so they can store them in a way that suits them. So if I was Ben, I would click on Ben because that would be my folder, and then I would have the option to upload anything I had done from my device. So I could use that using the upload function here, or I could drag a file into the folder and it would upload it, and then I would be able to see it as their teacher. So this is the quick tour and guide that we've had to Teams. If you are unsure about anything else, please email your teacher and we will hopefully be able to get you to the right place as quickly as possible.